Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to get notified when we drop another banger lit video. What's up, TMI squad? You don't know the girl Sam in the building.
I don't the girl Kayla Vanessa.
And today we have guests introduce themselves. Not guests on them already, but introduce themselves. Starting from where, sir?
King Chop there, is it?
You know me for a long time, you see me, the Young King boss, you see me, the Young King out, yeah, Young King always, yeah, Young King.
Anyways, guys, y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail, y'all know it's another banger. And today what we doing, Chunky?
The whisper.
We're doing the whispering challenge. That's about that and say thumbnail ready. Before we start, make sure you're following us on other social media platforms. Follow me on Instagram at Manda_own and follow Giant page
At Sammy_.
Sammy_family_TV. Chunky, are you this?
And follow me from...
Me did not give you time for child now. Ease out. Follow me on TikTok at Sammy_lifestyle. Please do follow me. And then you can shout out to something. You too jumpy, a bullfrog.
You better follow me.
Travis, you have nothing for that? You have nothing for them, fella?
Yeah, Instagram. Drip_trav.
Alright. I don't know how to know at home. Open your feelings. Anyways, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't watch my bubblegum. I'm gonna start get right into the video. So guys, first round, you know, say we are go first, and him tell me choose something in a row, and I forget it. Team boy versus team girl. So spam the comment section.
You don't say King are going to win, no.
With who no team
King them are
girl
going
win?
to win, no.
Earphone
King
and
them
this
are going to
Lord.
win. King Chav and Young King.
Alright, wait. Travis, take up, you know? Take your name back. Alright, wait. Fix it. Fix. Let's look at the ass. Start the music now. I'm going to go on bounce. Bumbo. Ready?
Samantha Monkey. Samantha Monkey.
Samantha what?
Samantha Monkey.
You have to talk, you not talk.
Samantha Monkey.
Margaret don't think you're bright.
What's that? Samantha Monkey.
Nobody, listen, nobody no talk, so.
Samantha Monkey.
Samantha Monkey.
Say it again.
Samantha Monkey.
Samantha Brook.
No!
Samantha
Samantha
She get a
Monkey.
strike, that's a strike. Different Christian.
What?
Samantha Ugly.
What?
Samantha Ugly.
Say it again.
Samantha Cute.
Samantha Ugly.
Samantha Cute.
One more time.
Samantha
Samantha look
Cute.
nice.
Should I get none?
Me give up, me lose. Give me next.
Samantha Monkey. Samantha Cute. Samantha.
No, you thief. You can't say so much. No, brother. I want something you have to say first. In thief. I want something you have to say first. I make me get the one something there first. No, you have to tell me something lose the first round. Tell me something lose the first round. You have to put me back, brother.
Let me say 3 times. Let me say 3 times you get it. You're losing.
That is just the first one something.
One.
Alright, start over.
Alright,
If boy
start
say
over.
more than one something.
Alright, start.
Ready?
Ready.
Something
Wait.
Start.
Start it. Remember set up a play out.
That's start over.
Me I tell you when you get loud.
You know that I mean when you get loud. Something you do like chips.
Samantha
Something you do
Edge.
like chips. You're top nice,
Start
Something you do
now.
like chips.
Samantha smell like chips. What?
Something you do like chips. Something you do like chips.
You don't get it. You don't get it.
Samantha dry like chips.
Something you dry like chips.
Alright, next
I
one.
never get that.
Next one.
Alright, I saw you play because he might do too much things. Alright, I know something. Ready?
Mississippi.
What?
Mississippi.
Big teeth. Big lip. Say it again.
Mississippi.
Mississippi. Like that's the easiest thing. Look at that. Me get one at two. Where win. Well, you're not gonna be the winning energy.
You get one out
Set some more back. 1 out of 2. 1 out of 3, man. Ready again. Wait. Yeah.
Travis will be king.
Yeah,
Kansas
dog.
the king. Kansas the king.
You don't say no more. Say that
I
again.
treat her, I answer you. See you lose, you know.
Alright, me get one at a
Travis
time.
a big king.
Travis a big king.
Alright. So all this go down.
My time.
No.
Yeah, all we know
Me
is
want a girl and go first. So Travis will come with chunky now. And then after that, a boy time. Alright.
that's what I do.
Alright, my do it.
Alright.
My ears.
Actually, it's like how you
Turn
ask.
Yeah.
So when we do
Push it in, way in. And hold it down like a hold it down.
Stop, yeah.
Hold it down
Hold on,
like
man.
a hold it down. Is it up to dog shit? Is it up to dog shit? Is it up to dog
You
shit?
know what I talk about?
What if talk loud? Him never talk loud.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
We don't talk
No.
loud.
Oh yeah, then. Oh, you just
No,
say
me
something
not
talk
talk-
loud.
me-
Your name not talk loud.
Me-
See ya?
You couldn't hear me.
Alright,
I didn't hear you.
ready.
I don't know kids are.
Ready.
All the camera can
Ready. Move fast and I can start that fight.
Yo, not come out of him out a while ago.
Of course.
Yeah.
Travis wicked.
Yeah.
Alright, dirty boy.
You
You're
couldn't hear
too
me
wicked.
good. Yeah, you say for me to hear me. My father couldn't hear you now.
Alright, ready. Pushing me. Dirty dog shit, yo. Want me to skip a song? Dirty dog shit, yo. Bad, lose. Tell me something never load now. I'm going to try tea for it.
When they ask, when they ask,
Tell me
what
something
can
about
you
Lord.
say? But when I time to talk like this, some of the monkey.
But me talk loud like that, look well. One more time, yeah, one more. You get 0 out of 0. You get 0 out of 3. And 2 times just.
I want to ask.
Alright, whatever.
See how the girl them call?
Whatever, chat to me.
Yeah, give back a lolly song.
Alali sang, him forget. I'm going to win, so
No, the other one.
Alali sang, so we're working now. Oh.
So Shell, lolly, she like me rape, my mouth, it can't slip.
Ready?
My pussy clot.
Your face a talent.
My fake like.
No. One more chance you have. Your face a talent. Blah.
See my darling?
No, yeah man. Travis, tell me something not that, Lord. Tell me something not that, Lord. Tell me something not that, Lord. Travis, tell me something not that, Lord. Never try to play me. Never try to play.
Alright,
Boy.
go on.
Push it in.
One more now, go
One
on.
more.
Back now.
Alright, there.
Put that hand in your ears.
Hold on.
Don't play with
A
Travis.
message come in, a message
I
come in.
message.
Yes, it then.
They are fat like. They get fat like.
The girl big and fat like.
Nope. They are fat like.
Fat like.
Nope. Don't play with me.
I saw him
One
by
more chance you have.
I saw him by
One more chance you have.
But I saw him
One more
by
chance you have. You get fat like.
The girl big and fat like.
No, him to go first. I'm a move, Philip. No, sit down, boy, you have an answer.
Me even know you saying I want to know them.
Me move, Philip. And you have bite like California
How much
chat.
you did? How much you did?
A 2-1. 2-0. A 2 we get.
I want again.
Whatever.
Go 2.
Whatever. I'm going to call it too much to get.
Too much.
I want. Him not get none. So me win the first round. Start. Tunky look on him. Really look good.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? No, she ain't
Come on,
hear
okay, in the camera, good.
me. She ain't hear me.
Let's start whispering now.
Brother, when start whispering, you talk loud. Ready? Look for the man, get in a chunky. Ready?
No.
No! You have to talk. You have to talk, dirty boy. You're bright.
Samantha, please.
Look for him.
Samantha, please.
What?
Look for her when you talk.
Samantha, please.
Samantha,
Done.
One! No! One time she said it, you dirty boy. One time she said it. One time, one chance you get.
Look, mommy, we need to answer most of them.
No, brother, you get 3 chance. You're too thief. If you talk just
So
this. Alright, ready again. Ready.
Samantha dead.
What? Joking now?
Samantha, please. Samantha, please. Samantha, please.
You're supposed to repeat, sir.
Alright, give me next one. Chunky, really? Alright, ready up. Next one.
That's strike 0.
Next one.
Dry bread.
Yes, sir.
No, you're better.
Gaia bed.
Boom.
Ready? One more.
Yeah, one more. Right, let's
Push it in
see.
here.
I'm pushing in. You see what is straight on my ears though. Ready? Don't play with her.
Start a YouTube channel. Start it.
See, I
Start a
said.
YouTube channel. Start a YouTube
Reading lip.
Start a YouTube channel.
Samantha favorite bird.
Oh, with the backside.
Start a YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel.
Samantha cute.
Start
I
a
know
YouTube
that.
channel.
3 strike that
Say it
brother.
again.
Samantha. Start a YouTube channel.
Alright, you get one at a one. At least Bob no get none. Start a YouTube channel. You get one at a one. Put in. Hey, listen. Settings when now get in. Alright. Next one, I'm gonna return this thing girl when I ready. There's no
Wait, say one more win. Wait.
Come boy, get now.
Is it more win? Or everybody for
I said some war.
I see someone else.
It can't sleep.
You ready?
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 Hold it down like everybody else hold it down, dog shit.
She had two bubble gum. It's difficult.
Don't say
No,
bubble.
it's a bubble. Yeah, me see it now. Because I think she attack and she not attack.
Stop telling me I'm not chew bubble. Me not chew bubble gum, me chat to this boy.
So you have to stop chew bubble.
Ready. Ready.
Watch next round.
Can't take losses.
Watch next round, brother.
Ready.
No, ugly.
What a fool. Hard things. Jaja. We are going to lose now because it's an idiot here. Push it down. And turn up your farm.
I turn up a box for fun box.
Say hard things. You can't say what all one big long sentence. Wait till start. Push it down. Push it in. Ready now.
Africa.
What a idiot.
Africa.
Take time and talk. Alright, talk.
Africa.
What a idiot. I can say be. Alright,
One that.
At 2 chance, I'm gonna get. Oh, one more.
Me not
At
even
3
see her.
chance, I get dirty boy. 3 chance.
That simple thing in Africa.
Africa?
Yeah, man. Stop saying simple things. You know, make we lose.
Aye.
One more. We done that win already, you know. Still a room. Hey. Ready.
Let's smell that shit.
It smell like shit.
Jesus God.
Clean now, yeah.
No. Give one. Ask you. Start it on already. Let me just be easy. You could say I travel go to America and some like.
2, alright.
Two.
We going to. Who you want?
Me stress out, me rock me. Me don't like loses, brother.
Nah, I couldn't be saying
Me a bad, me know.
Brother. I don't know how brother, but yeah, get it. But we get
All
some
this.
hard on.
Why, Africa, dog, we don't get to Africa, we get I don't know, dog.
How much you get? 2, so we are lead. That's a 3.
Play back.
3-1.
How would you one?
Oh no.
With their
No, brother, 2 with them. You dirty boy.
2-2.
Done.
Ready? Someone ready?
Me ready? Can't touch the goat.
Ready now?
Can't catch the goal.
Ready?
Can't catch the goal.
Ready?
You might talk.
Alright, ready now, ready.
Alright, just go. Strike him out. Can't catch the goal. Can't catch the goal.
Cockroach.
Oh,
No.
oh, shit. Can't catch the goal.
Me chat too much?
No, do that, Samantha.
Can't catch the goal. Can't catch the goal.
Me not cute, you not cute.
Yeah, crash with the goat.
Can't catch with the goat and the goat catch with the can.
What is it?
Yeah, crash with the goat.
And I was so not playing nobody can.
No, brother, I'm still my turn. What is?
Right through.
Watch me on you. Let's say not to get one out of my own. Watch me
It
on
don't
you.
matter, I know, you're
Alright, chat too much.
I give my friend an easy. Say no matter if you know how I win.
Yeah, kick
What's
like
up?
this.
Monkey the banana.
Yo, this up.
Monkey the banana. Monkey the banana.
Bunch of banana.
Oh shit, no.
Oh shit.
Monkey the banana.
Nothing with the goat.
Tap it
Monkey the
nice.
banana.
Bucket banana.
Bang, bang,
Ready?
Monkey the banana.
Bunty killer.
Monkey eat the banana.
Mom,
Ready?
And then a tree that strike tree that. Monkey eat the freaking banana. Nah, them way give them out your brain like some dog arty teacher trick.
Play by Sam done.
Okay, I'm not using South Africa last week. South Africa last week. South Africa last week. You can't ask so much time, man?
A 2 time you just ask.
Push something in your ear.
I'm in a ear dirty boy.
Not just about the all.
Shut up, what?
South Africa last week.
South Africa.
No.
There's a time you was strike, but South Africa last week.
What?
South Africa last week.
What?
Tree that, What? South Africa. A tree that a strike.
South Africa.
No?
she never hear.
The boy not talk. Me not talk. Alright, I feel sir.
What me say?
What you say? See, him a thief.
Me not hear because you say too fast.
Them a thief. Alright? Put in me lose. Put in. Watch me on
What me
you.
say?
Watch me
Fly to
on
Africa
you.
last week.
I'm say slow.
And then say South America.
Me no. You can't say too much
No,
things.
me not change it.
Brother, no.
I give me. I'm not change it, brother. I say change
You
it.
own a teammate, let alone
Me
brother.
not change
No, but
it.
the man say South America when him at the last part when
You can't say flag Africa cause
Him, when he say me repeat, say yo, me strike him, I'm
Yeah.
going to me strike him pan. What?
Right, because me
South
say
America.
thief.
Whatever I want, South Africa.
Shut up and no read no signal. Cartoon TV no signal. Wallini.
Look how she attack.
Shut for your mouth. Ready? Push in. I'm not trust you. That's the thing. I'm not trust you.
Turn on the phone and
The
turn
song
Done
done.
there.
The song done. Play back the song. Since I want to play it tough,
Look now, look.
maybe you song start when the song start to load.
My mouth, it can't slip.
Push it up.
My face
Wally.
is on a toilet. Little face and boy ride it.
Wally, ready.
Ricky, you're not grow up.
You don't know the thing.
You don't like me?
one that.
I don't know the thing. You don't know the thing. Prop. Period. Don't wait out to him to give him signal for.
They say I like my period and we
No.
I don't say.
Don't the one that I say.
It's a period. I'm about to
Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, man. Me not say no period. I mean, me say wait out to him after me say that. That 3 times I say no dignity. Dirty boy. Put him on the ears 2 more on left back.
Yo, if you don't keep me a period now, we have to check for fire.
Talk to you. They say period?
Yeah, this a
Yeah, they say period. And
But me
then
not push it in your ears, brother, and hold it down.
So we're true, bro.
Alright.
Brother.
No, you can't trick him. You're supposed to
But then I'm going to get rid of the
Ready. Ready. Push it down. Push it down. Yellow lang banana. Yellow lang banana. Pero. Yellow lang banana. 3 times that.
When did I answer? I know negative.
Ready?
Me strike 2.
No, brother.
No, me strike 2.
You can't if you get coming out if you game dog shit.
But the man never answered that chat.
He not the answer. He finished one chat.
Me strike 2.
But the man never chat.
Me strike 2.
Tell her no.
No, don't fight no one. Me strike 2.
Tell her no. You not tell her.
Me not get none of you.
Easy,
Me not get none of you.
Me strike
Me not get none of you.
Me strike
Me not
two.
get none of you.
Achoo. She not getting enough
Me
of you.
strike 2.
But she never asked.
Me can't do more.
She said what? She said what?
Me
What?
can't do
South
more.
America.
Me
She
can't
never
do
said
more.
that.
Me
She never said that.
I ain't for time. I never tell me for time.
Ask for 3 times.
Come on.
After I ask 3 times, me lose. Come.
Ready? I want more chance. A different last
You-
one is. Hold on,
Don't do that.
Shut your mouth, it's song done.
Hold on, brother.
Don't do that.
As a loser go on. As a loser go on.
The cheater they ask him, it done. As the cheater
But are we all here?
it
No,
done.
brother, tie.
I
tie.
tell you there, 2-2. Come.
Ready? Hold on. Lisa, ready? You remind me of Squatty. You remind me of Squatty. You remind me of Squatty.
Me lose.
Oh, so I saw you play Dirty Boy.
Yeah.
I saw you play Drunk Girl. Alright.
What I say you play?
But you have to talk. Alright. So I play. You have to talk. You have to talk. You even try Dirty Boy. Watch me and you.
But the man
You can't say put it on now. Does not talking. Brother. Push in your ears and hear what I say. Read the lips.
This is some sentence.
Push over that.
Me have my next one plan for you now. Me say baby gold make a bite the tongue.
Mississippi communication.
Don't lean up. Yeah, the stack. Ready.
Mississippi communication.
No, a 2 that.
Look for me now.
A 2 that, brother.
Say it again.
Mississippi communication.
Mississippi.
Next question.
Kayla, really? Ready.
Check out the headphones.
For what?
Earphone.
They really give me-
Headphone.
Talk again.
Phone.
One more chance. Say it again.
Check out the headphones.
Take out the earphone.
And I add in there my earphone in there.
Headphone.
Whatever.
Hello.
Dog, you nearly get in a headphone, he say. I can't dance like you know say earphone.
No, because
Whatever, uno dance.
Ready?
Okay, push in your ear, brother. Read the lips.
Samsung.
Money
So, talk. Can I get out?
Samsung is a good phone. Samsung is a good phone.
Samsung phone.
You nearly get everything, you know?
Samsung is a good phone.
My phone is a good phone.
Jesus God. Jaja.
Next time. Ready now?
Next time.
Come, one more chance. Shall
One
we?
more chance, yeah.
3 in our house.
What? You not say something. You not say nothing.
It's a cheat in your house.
You have three questions or 3 questions?
A 3 question, I just ask.
A cheat?
Yes, I pay turn now. Kelly not get none dog. That's a life go.
So, how much is it?
I still 2-2. Kayla, be a long word.
No, just watching more.
Be a long word.
Like,
Be a long word. Long sentence. Some hard word. No, that's easy. But that's a be a long word, brother. Say some sentence. Say one long sentence.
I am a boy.
Push in. No, say I'm a boy. No, say something long. Push in. Play back the song. You think you can treat me? Kayla, now let me down in the dog. Hey.
Stop.
Ready.
Stop.
Wait. Ready now.
Remote.
what the fuck? What is that?
Not on them headphone and earphone. Shut your mouth.
In the motor, what the fuck
Me
is
no
that?
give a. You talk too loud. And if you get your in ear, your ear. Anything can say. Me can't say anything. Travis, don't take earphone and a headphone and say. Don't, you can't make words and a whisper challenge. Do too friggin' thief.
Headphone is the big one. Something will come over here like that.
Me not care.
Earphone
Me
is
not
this
care.
one.
You too thief. Alright,
Any motor, what the fuck is that?
It's a cartoon.
No, me don't like cartoon there.
Ready?
Any motor.
Ready. Chat too much. Don't chat too much. Ready?
Money.
Yeah, man.
Me like cartoon.
Stop chat loud, brother. Try again. Say it, brother. Yeah, man. What you say about it?
Nick.
Ready again. One more. Idiot, can say thing.
More.
Say it.
More.
Money.
Your teammate a pump.
Mama.
Money. Not even a change up listen and try.
Better because it's something better.
I ring lighter than dirty.
Simple that. Let me prove for you if I want to come out there. You need to listen.
One more. I last run this. After full run, I last run. Ready, cause
2 more.
yes, 2 more. Ring lighter then. Come again. Ready?
Gold digger.
Outside.
Nope. Gold digger.
Look.
If I really get that, brother.
Gold digger.
Madiona.
Yeah, man. Wait, one more. Say it again.
Gold digger.
You're not old, yeah! She not old, my brother.
He said no, not clear.
Kayla can't hide any more pieces, you know?
True that. So you lose, get up.
No, one more.
Alright, ready. Travis. You have me I lose my face. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's see more.
You must get that.
Nah, get it.
Let's see more.
You have to try, dirty boy.
Let's see more.
She said 3 times.
He said 3 times. He said 3 times. The teeth no fudge.
No, your teeth.
One last round, guys.
Get.
Yeah.
I get it right.
You get it right. Last time.
But a 4 times you have to answer for it, brother.
Brother, last round, guys.
How many did the last time?
How much you feel,
You undecided it.
You should have answered 3 times. So once you answer 3 times, you're done.
You don't know I missed it,
You see
man.
me?
would I never go lower?
You said the last time.
People love.
People love. People love.
Number 1.
People love.
Corona.
No.
People love.
People dog. Pop. We got you. God kill me also. Me swear to God. Listen, me literally see the pitbull dog.
I get Corona first.
Because the corona we had and they even make it more visible. It's like pitbull dog.
You know what? Unanimous is
Thanks. Shout out to that. Let's go back to the second. lie.
Stop playing up.
Oh, you play over. Me tell him to start low now. Wait. My mouth.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
My
TV's back.
and a toilet.
TV's right.
Ready?
TV's right.
Patty something.
Nope.
TV's right.
Liver spot.
Nope.
TV's right. Man, 3 times I say that, you're done.
TV.
Me not get that.
TV's black, TV's white.
Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Alright, brother, so you have to...
All done still stuck at 2. I got 3.
I treat you like there's so many one people now like when Travis get the mistake mountain. That's no that.
You get low, somebody text her. Alright, now ready now. Would I never go low? Sashel. My mouth look no. I'm a toilet.
Ready?
Ready? A dance, ready for dance now.
Cut a tick the clock. Cut a tick the clock. Cut a tick the clock.
Clock, tick, clock.
Tap your eyes.
Cut a tick the clock.
Clock say tick it up.
Cut a tick the clock.
Tick it up, tack.
Clock.
Clap the tick the clock. Clap the tick the clock.
I know it's something about clock. I know, I want more.
No, you did it.
It dead like period.
Doom.
Bad man, if I go low.
But I win.
You know win.
I'm telling you I win because it's me and Samantha. It's about you and Samantha and me and she.
That will never happen. That will never happen.
We didn't have to go on, brother.
No, come you. That will never film where they're visible more.
Yeah, and she told me to come like you can't hide in the talking, brother. Me could have read the killer mode.
We could have win.
Anytime,
We could have win. Ready up. My face and a toilet. Back. Your face is toilet. Me a talk loud.
My face is stylish.
Me never say that.
Your face is stylish.
Alright.
Alright.
Hey, I can't talk loud. Me give me, come talk loud. Watch ya now. Watch ya now.
You hear that?
Wall it down.
Give my teeth.
You see me? Alright. What the work on Irish and Studio? What the work on Irish and Studio? Move right here. What the work on Irish and Studio?
My dog, everybody.
Yo, figure yo.
Nope.
What
1.
the work on Irish and Studio?
Is that why I crying?
Yeah, man. 2. What the work on Irish and
You
Studio?
see move
You look so terrible.
Yeah, man. One more. And we are wet. We are wet. And we are wet. Ready.
Song done.
That song on that. Guess what I'm saying? Move the bark up at every film studio. You'll never get that.
It's all right, okay.
Reggae radio. Ready? Yeah.
My mouth.
Ready?
And a toilet.
Ew!
sounds
Lord!
good.
Ew! Stop it!
It just feel hot.
2.
Brother, alright, we lose. No. Can't feel it.
Do the dance. Yeah. Your breath hot. I'm thinking you wanna get that because you love use the word there. You love use the word there.
Say it again.
Your breath hot. But me do facial expression.
That kill me.
Period. No, brother. I done the video done. I'm done win. With 3-3. We win. We win.
Them get brother 3-3.
Brother, you know say I will win. At 2 you get dog shit.
I me get one a while ago. Boom!
I'll do it with time.
But after that,
Guys, you see if you know so our
Come
next
here for
one.
part 2.
It's over my channel.
Come here for part 2. Come here for this.
Part 2 over my channel.
Come in for part 2.
King Trav TV. That over it.
I'm a type of guys, the part 3 to the on my channel. So
Yeah.
let's look out for the challenger. We're not happy until when we have to win.
Alright.
And if the girls then win me, now come up with revenge in my revenge in my heart. Revenge in my heart. You see me?
Guys, look on our face.
Guys, me outside. Come kill me that we win. Kill me that we win. You know what? I'm outside. I'm outside. Thanks for watching.
Bet you